Hi guys, we have unboxing to do. Let's unbox this together. So I got this off AliExpress and yeah, let's unbox it. So the first one is okay. I got this grouper. You see, and this is actually quite small, but the handle is detachable. You can detach the handle out from it. But I guess it will do the but I guess it will do the job for me. So, but it's quite small. What do you think? Anyways, we'll use this together. I will show you when I'm using it. So it looks quite good. So, but it's quite small for me. I don't think it says it's 24 cm. But can I have that, baby? Baby, let me see. It says it's 24 cm. I don't know. Can you see? But anyways, it will do the job for me. We do a lot of grilling in this house, so I actually need this, but it's quite small for me. It's quite small for my family. Anyways, you see this? I got it. I'll put the price. How much I got this? I'm gonna put it on the screen. I can't remember, but I know it's quite. It's not expensive. And the second one is this. Hmm. I used to have one of these, the big one. So, but it got broken. The I just have to get it out. So, good. It's smaller than the first one, the one I had before. This, the one I had before. This got broken, but I can still make use of it. But it's giving me wahala, so that's why I decided to order another one. Even though this one it's not expensive as well. Um, I will as well insert the price, how much I got it. I'm gonna put it on the screen, how much I got this. But I like this. It's gonna do the job for me. It's not all the time I will be using my blender. So whenever I'm doing a rough blend like onions and all that, I use this. So I like it. And it has about 5 blades. So I like it. It will serve its purpose, I believe. So the next one is what do I have? I guess this is. Ooh, you see that? So this is hair. I think it's a wig. This wig is, I think, is 14 pounds. Yes, it's 14 pounds. Let's unbox it like this. My 14 pounds wig. One thing with the wig is the color. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I don't think the camera is doing justice to this. It is so beautiful. I like it. It's quite beautiful. Oh my god, oh my baby. It's quite beautiful. I like the color. Oh, mm, I like the color. Look, I like it. I like it. It's so beautiful. And yeah, it's it's a grillless wig. I like it. It's so beautiful. I don't think the camera is actually doing justice to this. I like it, and it's quite short, so I like it. The weather is quite hot this time, so I like it. Let's just try it on. Let me remove it. This one. Ah, there. It's been a hectic day. I just came back from school run. So, and I'm doing this. So let's do this. I like this. So, mm, but I like this. You just to put some conditioner to get this done. Yeah, baby. Thank you, baby. Can you go put this upstairs? So I like it, and I like the color. It's so beautiful. I like the color as well. You just to do a little bit of touch up, and yeah, they to flatten it. I think it's a bit coming up. You just to get it flattened a bit, and oh yeah, I like the hair. Compare with the price, it's a £14 hair. So I will be inserting the price as well with the picture. But I like the hair. I like it. Tell me, where do you do your shopping most of the times? Um, AliExpress and Shein, and I don't think I've ordered from Temu before. I think I've ordered once from Temu, but AliExpress and Shein is my go-to when it comes to cheap stuff. Cheesy, take that into the kitchen. No, don't break. No, 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 no. Yum, oh yeah, go and put it in the kitchen. Put it up there for me. So AliExpress and Shein is my go-to when it comes to ordering all these things that I need at home in the house, like all these everyday essentials. So that's why I always order. I know I had people Temu, 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 Temu. I haven't tried ordering from Temu before. Yeah, I've ordered from Temu once. It was once, but I don't actually order. I think I went to their website. I put some things on the basket, but I didn't actually order it. Yeah, I haven't ordered from Temu before. That's the truth. I haven't ordered from Temu before. But you see, AliExpress, um, Alibaba. When I want to order something, like when I want to order something that I can order like about two or three different type of the same stuff. I go for Alibaba. It's quite cheap there. That's the cheapest you can get as well. So, but when you're ordering from Alibaba, you need to order more than one item for you to be able to get that cheap price. Yeah, it's not that you can order one. You can order one, but you can get that cheap price when you're ordering just one. But if you're ordering the same item and you're ordering more than one, you get it cheaper. So guys, you see my new hair, my new hair, my new hair, my new hair. Who can tell it's a £14 hair? It's only this that I don't like, but I love it. The length, perfect. The coil, perfect. So I actually found out this hair is like this. You don't have to. You don't have to open it up like this. I like it. It's, but just like it's kind of popping up, but it's good. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. I'm begging you. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.